Welcome back students, this is 10th class and in the last video lesson we have completed exercise 6.3 and students today we will start to exercise 6.4 and before start the exercise 6.4 first of all we have to study about the next theorem and this is the theorem 6.5 and first of all I would like to write the statement of the 6.5. Theorem 6.5. Areas of similar triangles. Topic is areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangle. So students, today's our topic is areas of similar triangle, and the statement of the theorem. 6.6. Students, I think this is the theorem 6.6. The ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides corresponding sides Okay students, this is the statement of the theorem 6.6. According to this statement students, we have the ratios of areas of two similar triangles. Students, that means we have two triangles. And both triangle will be similar, and ratio of areas, that means we will talk about ratios of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So students, first of all we have to draw two triangles. First of all we will draw two triangles. Okay students, first of all I will write given. In given you will write we have two triangles. Here I will make two triangles. Suppose that student, this is triangle A, B, C, and this one is D, E, F. Wait student, wait 1 minute. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Suppose that we have two triangles, and here you can take also PQR also. PQR will be more easy in speaking. PQR. So students, according to this question, we have two triangles, and name of the first triangle is ABC, and the name of the second triangle is PQR. And according to the question, two similar triangles. That means these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both triangles are similar to each other. This is our given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Students, you know this very well. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding side ratio also will be equal. So students, here I can write, so angle A equal angle P, comma, angle B equal angle angle B equal angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So students, here you can see that the corresponding angles will be equal to each other of two similar triangles. Now students, if two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles as well as corresponding side ratio also will be equal to each other. So here I will write corresponding side ratio equal AB upon PQ equal BC upon QR, CA upon RP. So students, if two triangles are similar to each other, then their corresponding angles as well as corresponding side ratio will be equal to each other. This thing always remember, and these two things we have studied already in previous exercise. Now student, we will talk about what we have to prove. First of all, we will talk about now what we have to prove. So students, according to my idea, the ratio of the area to prove. Here you will write to prove. Ratios of areas of two similar triangles. That means area of ABC and area of PQR in ratio. We will take in ratio. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So we have two triangles. First triangle is ABC and the second triangle is PQR, and we have to take the ratios of areas of two similar triangles. So I am taking ratios. Okay. The square of the ratio of their corresponding sides square of corresponding side ratio. So corresponding side ratio are AB upon PQ, but square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. AB upon PQ whole square equal BC upon QR whole square equal CA upon RP whole square. CA upon RP whole square. This thing we have to prove. Ratios of area of two triangles will be equal to the square of their side ratio. AB upon PQ whole square, it will be equal to BC upon QR whole square, will be equal to CA upon RP whole square. This is we have to prove, students. Now in this question we have to we are talking about area. In this question we are talking about area, and you know the formula of area of any triangle. What is the formula to find the area of any triangle? Area of any triangle, students, it is given by half base into height. I think you remember, and many questions you have done in class 9th. So students, if you are finding area of any triangle, then you will use the formula half base into height. Here students, suppose that base is BC, suppose that base QR, but we don't have height. Some students are thinking, sir, AB may be height, PQ also may be height. The students always remember, these are not height of the given triangle. Why? Always remember, height always will make 90-degree angle with base. Listen to me carefully, students. Height always will make 90-degree angle with the base. But here you can see that AB is not making any 90-degree angle with base BC. This is not right. This is not 90-degree angle. This is also not 90-degree angle. So how can you say that AB and PQ both are height of this triangle? So students, these are not height. So we have to take two perpendiculars. You will take two perpendiculars. This is one and this is second perpendicular, students. These are two perpendiculars and these are height of respective triangles. And suppose that this point is ABCD, EF, PQR, S. Okay, students, these are 2 points and these are two perpendiculars, AD and PS, and they both are perpendicular on base BC and QR respectively. So students, this thing you will write in construction. This thing you will write in construction. In construction you will write okay students, AD is perpendicular on BC and PS is perpendicular on QR. This is our construction and this is enough. Don't worry. Now we will prove this theorem. Okay, next heading is proof. Students, we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to this one. So first of all we will take this side, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Okay students, what is the formula to find the area of any triangle? I already told you that to find the area of any triangle, it is half base into height. So students, I will write here half base. What I am talking about the area of triangle ABC, and in the ABC triangle the base is BC. So students, I will write here base is BC. Half base into height. What is the height here? Height is AD. So students, I will write here AD upon. Now students, I will talk about triangle PQR, and in triangle PQR formula is same, half base into height. Half base. What is the base in PQR triangle? Look at this triangle and base is QR. Base is QR. So students, I will write here QR and height. What is the height? I think height is PS. So I will write here PS. Half and half will be cancelled to each other, and finally I got BC upon QR, AD upon PS. Students, you see, we have to prove BC upon QR whole square, but I only have BC upon QR and I don't have BC upon QR whole square. And here we have another two sides, AD and PS. AD and PS, but I don't want to take AD and PS. But when we find area of these two triangles, ratio of area of these two triangles, we have AD upon PS and BC upon QR. So students, we have to change something and we have to create something new. Okay students, first of all we will erase upper side and then we will solve again. Okay, students, here this is, suppose that this is our equation first. Okay, and here I have AD and PS, and this is the triangle. This is the point A, and this one is the P, Q, R, A, B, C, and AD and PS both are perpendicular respectively. So students, here you can see that angle B and angle Q are equal according to this. Angle B and angle R both are equal. I already told you. Angle B and angle Q are equal. Okay. Students, this is 90, so this is also 90-degree angle, and this one is also 90-degree angle. So these two angles are 90 degree. So these two angles are also equal to each other. And name of these two triangles are ADB. ADB equal to triangle, sorry, angle PSQ. PSQ. Two angles are equal. Here you can see that B is equal to Q and this one is equal to this one. So these two triangles are similar to each other according the theorem, according the rule AA similarity. Okay, students. Suppose that name of this triangle is ADB. Yeah, ABD. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle. Name of this triangle you will write angle A. I don't know. B is equal to Q. So here I will write Q. D is equal to S. So here I will write S. Remaining point is P. So student, A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, and D is equal to S. So students, both triangles are similar by AA similarity. Students, you already know that if two triangles are similar, then their side ratio also will be equal to each other. AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ equal BD upon QS equal DA upon SP. Okay, students, side ratio will be equal to each other. Okay, students, correct. In equation first we have AD upon PS. AD upon PS. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. You are understanding my point? Listen to me carefully. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. So here I can write AB upon PQ. So students, here I will write, put the value of AD upon PS. Put the value of AD upon PS from equation second. From second in first. From second, AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ, and this AB upon PQ I will write here. I think there is no problem. Okay, students. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, and it is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR into AD upon PS. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. So I will write here AB upon PQ. I think there is no problem. Okay, students, AB upon PQ. Here you can see that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So students, I can replace AB upon PQ. I can replace AB upon PQ, which is equal to BC upon QR. So I will write here BC upon QR. Students, this is proved. BC into BC, BC square, QR into QR, QR square. So students, this is equal to BC upon QR whole square. You will prove only one. This is sufficient. You don't need to remaining two. At last, you will write similarly. At last, you will write similarly. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Here you will write similarly. Similarly, AB upon PQR whole square equal BC upon QR whole square equal CA upon RP whole square. Students, always remember this rule. If two triangles are similar, then ratios of their area will be equal to square of their side ratio. Okay, students. Now I think you have understand this theorem, and today we will start exercise 6.4. Now students, we will talk about exercise 6.4. Okay, first of all we will solve question number first. According to the first question, students, we have let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas B and their areas B respectively areas B respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4, if EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Find BC. Okay, students, this is the question number first. And according to the first question, we have let two triangles ABC and DEF are both are similar. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF, both triangles are similar to each other, and the areas is equal will be 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, if EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. So students, we have to find BC. What is the value of BC? Okay students, you know this last six, according to the theorem 6.6, we have area of triangle. If two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF is equal to AB upon DE whole square equal BC upon EF whole square equal CA upon FD whole square equal CA upon FD whole square. So students, we have this is according previous theorem, that was theorem 6.6, and according to that theorem, ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to square of their side ratio, square of their side ratio. Okay students, now what? Their area will be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. Areas are 64 and 121. So area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is 64. So I will write here 64. Now upon area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle DEF. This is area of triangle DEF 121. 121. Equal EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. EF, here you can see that EF 15.4. okay, what is square? BC according to this question, we have to find the value of BC, so I will write here only BC. You don't need to take other two square of ratios. You don't need to take other two square of ratios. You will take only area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF and BC upon EF whole square. You will take only these two statements, these two terms only. You don't need to take other two terms, because we have to find only the value of BC, and you know, and you can see that here there is not BC, here there is not BC. So where is BC? This, it is here. This is the BC. Okay students, and here is also square, so I will write here also square. Okay students, now 64 and upon 121. 64 you can write 8 upon 11 whole square equal BC upon 15.4 whole square. Students, 64, it is the square of 8, so I will write 8 square. 121, it is the square of 11, so I will write here 11, and 8 upon 11 whole square. Okay, BC upon 15.4, and again students, square and square will be cancelled to each other. You know this rule. And now what will you do? Now we have to do cross multiply as usual. 8 into 15.4 upon 11, it is equal to BC. Now you can solve this calculation yourself, and that will be the value of the BC. Okay students, now we will solve next question, and that is question number 2. Okay students, now we will solve question number second, and according to this question we have diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Intersect each other. Intersect each other. Intersect each other at the point O. At the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, if AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of areas. Find the ratio of areas of triangle. Ratios of area of triangles AOB and COD. Triangles AOB and COD. This is our question, students. According to this question, we have a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. So, students, you know this. Suppose that this is the trapezium, and name of this trapezium is AB is equal to CD. A, B, C and D. AB is parallel to CD. Here you can see that AB is parallel to CD, and also AB is twice of CD. AB is twice of CD. Suppose that CD is 5. CD is 5. Then what will be the value of AB? The value of AB will be 10, because according to the condition we have AB equal to CD. That means AB is twice of CD. If CD is 5, then AB will be 10. If CD is 10, then AB will be 20. Okay, students. And in this question, both diagonals are intersecting each other and at point O. So, this is the AC diagonal, this is the BD diagonal, and this one point is O. Okay, and we have to find out the area of these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. Students, look at diagram please. This angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Why these two angles will be equal to each other? Because these are vertical opposite angle. Students, these are vertical opposite angles. So I will write these two angles are equal to each other. These are this one will be equal to this one. Why? Alternate angle. These two are parallel, and one transversal line are intersecting these two parallel lines. So these angles are alternating angle, and alternating angle always will be equal to each other. So students, both these two angles are equal, and like these two angles are also equal to this angle. These are also alternating angles. So students, three angle of this triangle is equal angles of this triangle. Okay, students, I will write name of all these angles. This is COD. Angle COD is equal to angle AOB. Okay. What is the name of this angle? D. ODC. Angle ODC is equal to angle. What is the name of this angle? OBA. ABO. ABO या फिर OBA. Both are right. Okay. What is the name of this angle? OCD. OCD is equal to angle What is the name of this angle? OAB. OAB. So students, you can see that in triangle ODC and OAB, both three angles are equal to each other. Corresponding angles are equal, so these two triangles are similar. Okay, name of this triangle, suppose ODC. Triangle ODC similar to triangle O. O is equal to O. O is equal to O. So I will write here O. D. D is equal to B. D is equal to B. So I will write here B. C. C is equal to A. So I will write here A. So these two triangles are similar to each other by property AA. AA similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar to each other, then their side ratio will be equal, their corresponding angles are equal, and ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to the square of side ratio. Area of ODC upon area of OBA equal to side ratio OD upon OB. OD upon OB whole square. DC upon BA whole square equal CO upon AO whole square. This is also equal ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the side ratio. Okay. Find the ratio of area of triangles. Okay. We have to find the value of this one. And AB equal to CD. Here I will take this one. I will take only this one. Area of triangle ODC. Area of triangle ODC upon area of triangle OBA. DC upon BA whole square. DC upon BA whole square. Student, here please look carefully. AB is equal to 2CD. AB is equal to 2CD. This is CD, this is also AB. Same thing. So CD upon AB. AB is equal to 2CD. So I will write here 2CD. And also CD CD cancel, and I have only 1 upon 2 and also square. So students, it will be 1 upon 2 whole square of 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4. This is our final answer. Ratio will be 1 upon 4. Okay student, today I think this is enough, and in next video lesson we will start next question. Thank you. Have a nice day.